Welcome to the BISP solutions. So our today's topic is we'll see how to use the variable in the data form. Basically there are two types of variable. One is the user variable, another is the substitution variable. In this video I'm using the substitution variable and we'll use that in data form. Substitution variable is used for the information that changes regularly. For example, you could set the current month member to substitution variable so that when month changes, you do not need to manually update the month value in the form. Let us see how to do that. Just open your application, click the navigator icon. Under tools, you can see a variable as an option. Click on that. Select the substitution variable tab. You can see an plus sign, that is add sign, for adding the variable. Okay, I have already done that, so I'll just show you. You have to define your cube name and the name of the variable and the value which you want to define for that particular variable. Okay, so I have selected cube as all cubes, name, month variable, and value I have given as Jan. Just click on save. After that, you have to design your form and use this variable in your form. Under create and manage, there is a form option. Click on form and click on action tab if you want to create the form. I have already created my form, that is month variable. I'll show you that. Okay, so you can give the form name and the description of the form in the properties tab. Under layout tab, you have to basically define all the intersections. Okay, so here I have taken my account in the row side, and in column I have taken the period. Okay, so when I'll select the period, you can see there are two tabs. One is member tab, another is variable. Click on the variable tab. I have defined my variable under substitution variable. So click on substitution variable and select the variable which you have created. So I have selected my variable as it was monthly variable. When you will select that and click on add, it on the right hand side it will be added and it will be shown as end month variable. It will be started from end variable. Okay, just click on OK and define the remaining intersections. Like I have taken view as periodic, movement as no movement, consolidation as entity input, multi-gap as local gap, currency as entity currency, data source as data input, intercompany as no intercompany, product as no product. My scenario is actual, uh, and my entity is C underscore 101, and this I am doing for financial year 15. Okay, just click on save and preview. So this is the layout of my form. You can see that my short-term receivable for the January month is 50,000 and my inventories for the month of January is 20,000. Okay, so this is my form. Now, you do not have to enter the data manually, just change the value from the variable. Okay, the value which you have set, like I have set a Jan in my as a value in my variable, I'll just change that only and we'll see the result. Click on navigator option, variables. Under substitution variable, you can see this. I have created this substitution variable. Now I'll just change the value. And just click on save. Again, go back to your form which you have created. This was my form. Click on edit properties. Under layout, you can see this. When I change the value in substitution variable as February, my form gets automatically changed to the February month. Okay, that means this is our process. We do not have to manually do and change our month, or for the respective month we do not have to enter the data again and again. Just change the value of the variable. Okay, similarly we can do it for other months also. Like I have already done it for March month. Now if I want to see for the all the 3 months, let us see how we can see that. I have already entered for March month also. So now I want to see all the 3 months, Jan, Feb and March, in one form only. So how to do that? I have entered the value as this and just click on save. Go back to your form and see the result. This is my form. Click on edit. Click on preview. See, Jan, Feb, and March. That means my short-term receivables and inventory value for the month of January, for the month of February, and for the month of March. You can see clearly from the form. I have just changed the value while I was creating the variable. Okay, I have inserted the substitution variable in my period. Okay, and I have and constantly I keep on changing the value. Like for earlier, I entered the data for January month. Second time I just changed the value to February, and third time I just changed the value to March. And now I give the command from Jan to March. I want to see the value, so this is my all value in one form itself. So this is how you use the variable while creating a form. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.